Lewes station. We're at Lewes. It's myself, Lucy, as well as Brad and Cat and Will are coming. And then Dan's gonna catch up with us very shortly. But the whole Brighton crew coming eventually. It's fucking packed, man. If you come from Brighton, it's better because it's not as packed. You know what I mean? Let's see what unfolds. Lewes Bonfire is where we're at the moment. It is so cool! Guess who it is? So I'm leaving in like a few days, and this one made the effort of coming down to Lewes Bonfire because that's how we roll, right? And we got Will and Cat up the back. Clearly, this is awesome. Don't go walking through the centre because they stop you with their fire sticks. It's not nice when you have hair like mine. It ain't nice. We just got through a massive crowd. You need to prepare yourself for Lewes Bonfire. Like, it's not roses and daisies. It's
sardines.
It's sardines
and fire.
Lots
of it. We were so hot.
We were so like we are naturally,
well, we are,
but here with Will, and we're trying to find the rest of the crew.
Will Wilson, 1989. We're a bit lost.
We are.
We don't really know where we're going. We're about halfway back to Brighton, I think.
We're pretty sure. 30 minutes
the way
in.
The police told us to go.
Exactly. So we're relying on authorities right now. We made it! Civilization. I feel like we're walking through the darkness.
We're nearly there.
I'm kind of getting a witchy vibe here. Just saying. I feel like this is where everyone after the procession or before the procession, this is where they hang, right? We're in the middle of it. Now we're trying to find the rest of the crew. War Memorial section is just down there. As you can see from all of the people here, when people say it's packed, they're not lying. It is packed. And we need to move to the side and start moving along. See if we can find our mates. Oh, this is where the lineup happens. Ooh, backstage.
Yes. We go on. Spank my ass and hold Judy. What? Judy.
Julie?
They said that, not me. Now that was cool. So we saw the top end of it. So they're lining up to go down. And right now it's like 7 p.m. on the 5th of November here at Bonfire. So we're gonna go and catch up with a few mates just a little further down. For people to come in thinking that this is first class treatment, but everyone here hasn't paid a ticket, so we're just going to deal with people pushing and shoving. Much as I love Alex. Found the crew. I'm just so happy right now. Hello. What societies do you know here?
I know Close because I'm Arlington. I know Close Square, I know Waterloo, I know South Over, I know South Street, and I know Borough. They're the main ones. If you want any more, you have to go to their villages. So, yeah. High fives!
Hey, yeah!
I took over your balls, don't I?
I'm last here. legit.
Pissed off when Where's Wally came out because they would have been like, what the hell, you're taking our whole identity away.
Standing outside Caponero Lewes Bonfire, I am ridiculously grateful for each and every individual. He's seriously like, oh, did they say soon o'clock? One and only Dan, plus the rest of the crew. We're just walking through Lewes. I'm coming. So I'm chilling here with Dan, here at this bonfire.
Tell them what happened.
I lost my phone. It was in my back pocket and then it just disappeared.
It's like a ghost town right now.
Look, Krizan KRIZ.